What's up guys, welcome to the another video. As you can see, this is backfilling ongoing for the main building, and after the backfilling we will start steel structure work. And halfway of the steel structure, sandwich panel erection will be start, and also underground piping work will be start here in the main building. So in the next month you will see big changes in this building, and inshallah after 2 or 3 months you will see like building are going to complete. This is almost substructure work is complete. Just imported material for the backfilling is ongoing, and this progress is only for 1.5 months. The progress is very good performance. The company which is constructed this project is Jawar Al Jazeera company. This is our admin building. The column is casted, and this is our labor building. These columns are going to be casted in next 2 or 3 days. The shuttering work is ongoing there. So I will keeping you update about this project. It was from the beginning of this project, and until the end of the project, inshallah I will update you the things, what is the sequence of activities. So see you in the next video.